Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best bookkeeping for small businesses by doing a comparison between QuickBooks Online and Xero if you're looking for the best bookkeeping for small businesses in 2025. Then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into Xero. You can see projects in 3 stages: draft, in progress, and complete. Clicking on a project will take you to the project dashboard with the estimate, the amount invoiced, time and expenses, and the deadline. A thorough approach while at the same time helping you focus on all the relevant metrics. Projects are the main course, but there's a lot more. Xero's main dashboard is very well designed. In addition to providing general information about your business, it acts as an onboarding tool. It lists all the tasks you still have to do to configure the platform, so you can take advantage of all the features it has to offer. You can use it to get started in configuring your invoices, creating accounting categories, connecting your bank account, and much more. If there's something you won't need, you can edit the dashboard to control what you don't want to see. If you choose Xero as your accounting tool, be sure to keep an eye on JX, shorthand for Just Ask Xero. It's a generative AI assistant that can help you do your accounting. Xero has its own app store, allowing you to integrate it with hundreds of apps across many categories. QuickBooks is one of the strongest and most complete accounting apps on the market. Its greatest strength lies in how it supports you all the way from step 1 of onboarding to running complex payroll automation, with simple and direct help content. When creating a new account, QuickBooks will help you customize all the features you'll use. Enter your company type, whether you have any employees, and which other work apps you use. This will let you connect them later. The onboarding process is long, true. It's not a bad thing, though. It'll take you through all the steps of customizing your account, and the work gets done as you do. When choosing the look and feel of your invoices, you can already create the first one and send it to yourself to see how it'll look in the inbox. When you finally land on the dashboard, you're already ahead. You can start creating documents, reviewing transactions, or adding expenses right away. There's still a setup checklist that you can follow to learn more about how to use all the tools here, or you can schedule a call with the team and ask all the questions that you need. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.